Good morning. Welcome to our newest project today. We will be doing some concrete pour. This is a dry concrete pour. We're making a walkway to the pool. My grandson needs something to walk on besides rocks, and he will be able to do this on a concrete pad. So I hope you enjoy this video today. My grandson and myself and my husband and my oldest grandson will be working on this diligently. This is a lot of hard work, but we're going to get it done, and we'll take you along step by step. Okay, so we have dug out all the grass, and we have made forms from 2x3s, and now we're using it's concrete Quikrete, it's Quikrete 50-pound bags with aggregate. We'll be doing as many as we can. We're going to have to do this in 2 sections because I did not get enough concrete from the store, and it's about a 35-minute drive to the nearest hardware store. So you'll see us today do this in 1 section, and then we'll do it in the next section tomorrow. These forms were made to be able to accommodate 1.5 inch thickness of concrete. So our pour will be about 1.5 inches thick. We're not looking to drive on this. We're only going to be walking on it as a walkway. My husband will trim around it with the weed whacker, the weed eater, and it will not be drove upon with any kind of vehicle or anything like that. So that being said, we shouldn't have any issues with cracking or breaking or chipping away. Okay, so the first step was, of course, to fix the ground, get the grass out, form it up, and now we're going to take the dry powder concrete and pour it in and level it out. We'll be screeding this with a 2x3 as well, and we just go back and forth with the motion until it's completely finished up, which would be a solid surface. No divvies. And sometimes you have to take the concrete and pour it into some little holes that doesn't get filled. You'll see us doing that as well. And this is just a continuous motion of back and forth from side to side, and then it will make it smooth. I'd like to add in a disclaimer at this point. We will not be using our PPEs, our personal protection. Really and truly, you need to be using a mask, maybe even gloves. Concrete is not something that you want to be messing with too much. We have good ventilation out here today. The wind's in our favor. Well, it'll be blowing away from us, but use your personal protection if you need to. Like I said, we keep the kids away from it so they're not involved in the process. We don't want them damaged or their lungs. So you'll see us pour the concrete, and it will be a little powdery, but you'll also see the wind take it to a different direction. So we should be fine. Wow, I am so tired. We are now finished with some of the screeding. It is working beautifully. We're getting it as smooth as possible. I'm having to fill in some of the holes with some of the leftover concrete, but we're making good progress. So we're hopeful that we can start misting it pretty soon. The first step we'll do is we'll do misting 3 times, and then we will go back and do a shower after about the next hour or so after that. So all process, it's about a 6-hour process that we do just to be able to get it to be solidified. And then once it's done, we'll tomorrow we'll add on the additional part, finishing it up. It's going to look so beautiful. We're so excited about it. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes.
Do this and we're like, fire! You have to shoot it like 10 times.
Yeah. Bugs.
Yep.
Can you get here? Can you hold this? Can you just do this?
Yep.
And keep it over there for just a second?
Fire!
Don't point it down at it. Just keep it moving. So here we are. We was up into the late last night doing the rest of our showers and mist and all that good stuff. And we've moved on to our second portion now of the dry pour. We're almost finished and it is looking so awesome. I'm very pleased with it. Had to make a trip to the hardware store, to Lowe's, and finish up with our concrete. And this should be the majority of the day. This has been such a good thing. It's worked beautifully. It looks awesome. I'm so glad that we did this. Now it's on to the mist, shower, and ready for the ground to soak up some water. Well, it has been a couple of days now. I've let it cure probably for about 4 days. I'm taking the forms off, as you can see, and you do see a little bit of discoloration, and that's probably because we had 2 different batches of concrete, because I did have to go and do 2 sections, which is okay because I plan on sealing it and making it look beautiful and helping the concrete to not break apart. So that's our journey today. Well, we finished the concrete pour, and it looks so nice. It looks better than I expected, actually. It turned out really nice. It's 1.5 inches thick, and we used about 25 bags, 50-pound bags of Quikrete, high strength concrete mix, and with aggregate. And we poured about 24 feet, I believe that's what it is, and it's almost 3 foot wide. So the pour was really good. It was not easy. It was a good pour, and it looks really nice. I kind of left it more a little bit rougher than I would like to have, but my grandson is disabled and he needs an easy place to walk, and it comes straight off of the pool. You can see the pool in the background right there, so you know that it gets wet, and I didn't want him slipping and falling. I would rather it be just a little bit rougher so that he wouldn't slip up and fall and hurt himself walking on the concrete. But it's better than rock, and I'm very pleased with how it turned out. So the next dry pour, that you decide that you want to do it, because it was simple, it was easy. We made our forms, we fixed it just exactly the way that the YouTube tells us, and the research shows us. So thank you for whoever gives explanation for it, because it was super great. So join us next time on our video. If you will, hit that like, subscribe, and that thumbs up for us, and we thank you for watching.